Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be talking about a website called gighire.com. Now, what the website does, it partners clients with freelance recruiters. So if you're looking to either set up your own agency or you're working from home or you just want to do some recruiting in your spare time, this is the perfect website for you because it pretty much just gives you the clients, you find the candidates, you submit them, and off there you schedule interviews and they get hired. Now, this potentially could be a game changer for the recruitment industry. The reason being, clients would prefer to use a platform like this, I tell you that. They would either recruit by themselves or they would either use a platform similar to this. The reason behind that, it stops recruiters cold calling them, it stops recruiters chasing up constantly through emails because everything is going to be scheduled on here. They can also set their own fee, so potentially without negotiation, um, you'd already agree what you're working off if you submit a proposal for a job. So how it will work, a client would register on the website, they would go on there, then they would start posting their jobs. Let's say they're looking for an accounts payable person. They would submit a job description, the website will approve it, and then all the freelance recruiters on the website, if they've got a finance, you know, pool of candidates or they've got some experience in the industry, they would submit a proposal, and I'm going to show you how what all of these steps look like. And once they've done so, they might get, 7 recruiters saying, look, we can help you on 15%. That's fine. Salary is this amount. All the job description gets sent out, and then you find the candidates. You submit it on the website, and from there, you would start to, hear back and then schedule interviews with your candidates. Pretty simple. In fact, I don't know why nobody else has ever thought of this idea because it's a genius idea. I think clients are going to love it. Clients do love it because obviously people being hired from the website. So I just want to go through on the jobs at the moment. Now, obviously it's a very quiet market at the moment. I'm going to be doing follow-up videos because I'm going to start to use this website and recruit for the positions on there. Now, obviously if you take notice of the first one, they've got the job created date and the amount of candidates rejected. So these are very active. So the clients are actually, rejecting CVs. They're getting, it's pretty obvious from there that people are just submitting CVs or they're looking for something very specific from there. The fee for this position is 15%. Now, on a 75 grand salary, I think that works out to be £11,000, which will be a very sweet placement, especially if you're just starting off. Now, I wouldn't personally recruit for this role. The reason being, I don't know anything about it. But if there comes a time where there's positions where I have the expertise in, chances are I'm going to have an existing candidate pool already there. Now, very simple. You would click apply, and you would just say how many CVs can you deliver, 5 or more, in what time frame. Potentially, if you've got a candidate there, you could say 24 hours, and you can also put your fee down. You can say percentage amount, etc. From there. If there's exclusivity, you can go on from there. But once you build up your profile, you're going to get reviewed by other companies, and then it's much easier to get jobs. So if you go into my profile section, you'd make your profile here, and obviously add your picture similar to LinkedIn, and then you'll have everything from here. So it's beautiful in a way that it's everything can be run from here. So first stage interview, second stage, final stage, job offer sent. Perfect. So you get paid through the platform. You'd obviously send, I believe, an invoice, or the company will deal with it from there. But yeah, I'm going to definitely be checking this website out. I really hope it works. I'll definitely feedback on this. And yeah, it's even got a message section from here. So enjoy, register on the website. If you register, please let me know. I'm going to put a link in the description below and also the comment section. So if you do want to check it out, you're free to register. As long as you're not from a recruitment agency, you have to be freelance. You can't be working for a company, unfortunately. So hope this video helped. I know a lot of people are saying, they can't get clients on board. Well, this website definitely is the one for you.